I'm sure you've heard of Nano Banana. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Nano Banana is capable of doing, why it's going viral, and how you can start using it today. Let's dive in. In case you don't know, Nano Banana is also known as the Gemini 2.5 Flash. For you to access the Gemini 2.5 Flash, go to gemini.google.com or you can click on the link below. Once you click on the link below, you're going to land on this platform. First, I wanted to test the product photos. So I uploaded this photo that I found online and I uploaded the Mr. Bozy chocolate bar and I gave Gemini this prompt. Create a photo of a hand holding the chocolate bar and replace the yellow liquid with the brown chocolate. Nano Banana ended up giving me this one. It looks good, but there is only one problem. It has taken pieces of chicken. So I gave Nano Banana this prompt. I said remove the chicken and make the liquid and the background brown. After a few seconds, this is what I got. This is so great. This is so powerful right here. Next, I uploaded this photo of a milk bottle and then I gave Nano Banana this prompt. I said replace the chocolate bar with the bottle and the liquid with the pure white milk. The background must be sky blue. Seconds later, I got this photo. Honestly, this looks amazing. Okay, it would take a professional to create something like this in Photoshop. This is incredible. Next, I wanted to test creating 3D models. So I uploaded these two photos and I gave Nano Banana this prompt. And after a few seconds, this is what I got. This is such a nice 3D model. I was hyped up, so I ended up testing another 3D model. So I uploaded a photo of the Statue of Liberty and I gave Nano Banana this prompt. In the end, I ended up with this photo. And when I took this photo to Mesh AI, this is the 3D model that I got. Honestly, it looks so incredible. And for one to create this one from scratch, it would take hours. So this is amazing. Let's move on to the next case. If Nano Banana is to replace Photoshop, at least you got to be able to remove the background in an instant and replace it. That's the next feature that I tested. So I took the screenshot of this photo of Mr. BC and I show speed. I uploaded this photo in Nano Banana and I gave it this prompt. I said remove the background and replace it with the Bahamas beach. Seconds later, I ended up with this photo. This is so incredible. The background is completely removed and indeed is replaced with the Bahamas. This is so nice.
This is perfect.
When I got the results, I was so happy to the extent that I wanted to push it even further. So I wanted the two men in photo to be able to interact. I wanted Mr. Beast and I showed Speed to be able to shake hands. So I uploaded the initial photo and I gave Nano Banana this prompt. I said, make the two men shake hands. And minutes later, I got this photo. This is so incredible. If you think about it, we ended up here after uploading this photo that had the background. We removed the background and replaced it with the Bahamas. And later, these two people are shaking hands. This is incredible. This is so nice. Everybody would believe that this is real. I also uploaded this photo of a cartoon boy and this photo of a cute dog. I added a prompt that the boy should hold the dog. And this is the result that I got. Honestly, it's not the greatest, but also it's kind of cute, you know? I continued testing. I found this picture online, so I uploaded this picture and I uploaded the picture of Fanta. Replace the bottle in the first image with the Fanta bottle. After a few seconds, this is what I got. Honestly, it looked great. The picture looks great, but I thought I could do better. I also wanted to test some bizarre thing. For example, I uploaded this photo of the Statue of Liberty and this photo of the bank. And I gave Nano Banana this prompt. Let the Statue of Liberty hold the bottle instead of the torch. After a few seconds, this is what I got. This is wild right here. I've never seen something like this. This is great. I also tried just using a mere prompt to create a photo. For this one, I went to ChatGPTs and I clicked on one of the GPTs. Specifically, I clicked on Nano Banana Prompt Engineer. In there, I put in this prompt. I said, create a prompt of an African American model wearing a white t-shirt and navy trousers. I copied and pasted the prompt from ChatGPT to Nano Banana, and this is the photo that I got. A very clean photo that I generated. Next, I wanted to put some cloth on this model. So I uploaded a t-shirt and I uploaded the photo of the model. However, Banana Nano refused to generate the photo because the t-shirt had a logo on it. So I found a red print t-shirt. I uploaded the t-shirt and I uploaded the model and gave the same prompt. However, the prompt that ChatGPT generated wasn't very clear. Nano didn't understand it, but in the end, he asked me if I wanted to put the t-shirt on the model. So I said yes, and the Nano Banana created this photo. This is so nice. Next, I uploaded this puffer jacket, and I uploaded the model again. And I asked Nano Banana to cross the model. Nano Banana gave me two versions of the same model in one photo. The other one was wearing the red t-shirt and the other one was wearing the puffer jacket and a red t-shirt under it. Okay, so I clarified, I only said I'm interested in one photo. And Nano Banana gave me this one. Thank you so much for watching this video to this far. My target is to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours by the end of this year. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Otherwise, peace out. Love you so much.